Loppers are a great addition to your yard tool collection. If you're not sure which type of lopper is right for you, Verniel Phillips, grounds manager at the College of Charleston, recommends choosing a bypass lopper for most landscaping tasks. Anvil loppers are easier to use but less precise than bypass loppers, he says. I recommend the bypass loppers. They cut well and are very durable for any task at hand. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 loppers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Fiskars 28 inches Steel Blade Garden Bypass Lopper. For those new to this gardening tool or for anyone looking to add an affordable yet effective tool to their shed, this is the best lopper to add to your home gardening tool collection. If you had to have just one lopper at home, this would be a great choice. The budget-friendly version of our best overall pick, this lopper doesn't have an extra mechanism to enhance its strength. However, the tool is still effective at cutting overgrowth, greenery, and branches up to 1.5 inches thick. Like other Fiskars tools, this pick offers extra cushioning in the handles, a steel blade, and shock-absorbing bumpers. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime warranty. Product details: type, bypass, mechanism type, standard, blade material, steel, cut diameter, 1.5 inches, length, 28 inches, weight, 2.9 pounds. This is a basic tool and doesn't have a mechanism that enhances its strength for ease of cutting. Number 2. Haber Tools GL18A Small Bypass Lopper. If you're looking for a lightweight, shorter, and super simple lopper, the GL18A Bypass Lopper by Tabor Tools is as good as it gets. While it's the smallest lopper on our list at only 20 inches long, it doesn't skimp on power, allowing you to work quickly and closely to your greenery. The size also means you'll be able to get in a full day's work. They are light enough to carry around and use for hours and are the best loppers for those with limited mobility. Keep in mind that it doesn't have any additional mechanisms for tougher branches and the blade can only cut branches up to 1 inch in diameter, so it's best getting around lower growth or making precise cuts. Product details: type, bypass, mechanism type, standard, blade material, carbon steel, cut diameter, 1 inch, length, 20 inches, weight, 1.98 pounds, intended use, green branches. Number 3. Fiskars 32 inches Power Gear 2 Steel Blade Garden Bypass Lopper. If you don't care for it properly, bamboo can grow aggressively and quickly take over your yard. And with bamboo's hardy stems, you'll need a powerful lopper to cut back growth. The steel blade on the Fiskars Power Gear 2 can already stand up to the hardest cuts, but with an added gear mechanism, these loppers can cut through hardy bamboo. Fiskars low friction coating helps make a smoother cut with less stick. Plus, the blade is resistant to rust. This long-handled lopper will help you reach branches overhead, and its ergonomic grips make working with this heavier tool a bit easier on your hands. With a 32-inch handle, the lopper is on the longer side, so keep in mind that you'll have to open the tool wide to make a cut. Product details: type, bypass, mechanism type, geared, blade material, steel, cut diameter, 2 inches, length, 32 inches, weight, 3.9 pounds. Number 4. Spear & Jackson Telescopic Ratchet Anvil Loppers. Another hardy and strong anvil lopper, this tool has multiple features including telescoping arms for extended reach and a ratchet mechanism to make cuts easier. You can extend the lopper from 28 inches to just over 40 inches, making it a great pick for close shrubs and high branches alike. Once extended, the handles simply twist to lock into place. The ratchet mechanism holds the blade in place on your cut while you pump the arms to complete the job in multiple steps. A carbon steel upper blade meets lightweight aluminum handles that have a non-slip grip for comfort. It also includes a locking mechanism to make the tool safe to store when not in use. Product details: type, anvil, mechanism type, ratchet, blade material, steel, cut diameter, 2 inches, length, 28 to 40.5 inches, weight, 4.2 pounds, intended use, dry branches. Number 5. Fiskars 28 inches Power Lever Garden Bypass Lopper. Our pick for the best loppers overall is the Fiskars Power Lever Bypass Lopper for its ease of use, strength in cut, and affordability. This lopper was recommended by our experts and is a solid pick to have on hand for most jobs in your garden. I recommend the bypass pruners and my favorite brand to use is Fiskars, Phillips says. They have a couple of style options to choose from extendable handles to stationary handles. This lopper includes compound levers that add extra strength to your cutting power so you won't have to use all your strength when cutting large, thick branches. For those looking for a tool that's longer than pruning shears but that doesn't need to open super wide to make a cut, the Bypass Lopper's 28-inch handle is a great length and can still fit into nooks and crannies. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.